Hi. Welcome to this new video dedicated to subscriptions. This will be a fairly detailed video, but I'll try to explain everything in the simplest way possible. Before diving into the technical part, I want to give you a brief introduction to clarify the purpose of this page and its role within the platform, if activated and configured correctly. This page allows you to easily and independently manage all the judo lesson subscriptions that each judoka can sign up for at their dojo. Essentially, it provides an automated management of enrollments, currently available only with monthly renewals, to make the organization of your activities smoother and more efficient. We rely on an external software to handle payments, integrating it directly with Dojo-On. For this reason, it will be necessary to create a Stripe account. I should note that in this video I will not show you how to create a Stripe account, as there are already many dedicated tutorials online, and the process takes some time. You need to enter your tax information and complete a few verification steps. Once your account is created, you can come back here to follow the complete step-by-step configuration for integrating the two software. Don't be discouraged. It may seem complicated at first, but with this guide everything will become much clearer. In the end, you'll have an extremely powerful system that will save you valuable time and make subscription management far more efficient. For demonstration purposes, I have, as usual, opened two accounts, one judoka in one browser and one Sensei in another. Naturally, the steps shown in this video pertain to the Sensei dashboard. A dedicated video will be created for the judoka account. Let's get started with the configuration, which must be activated from Settings, Lesson Ticket. This page is used to connect the two platforms. By entering the required parameters, you will activate synchronization and automation of processes between the systems. There's nothing to worry about. I will guide you step by step. The first required field is the subscription title. For illustration purposes, I am entering Lessons. The second field is Price ID. Don't worry, I'll show you right away how to retrieve it from Stripe. As soon as you log into Stripe, the first page you will see looks like this. On the left, you'll find Product Catalog. Click on Add New Product. What we are about to create is called a product, but in reality, it's a subscription with specific parameters. For convenience, I recommend using the same title as the one used on the Dojo-On platform. You can set the description, price and logo according to your services and needs. For the subscription, select Recurring, set the period, and choose Monthly. Great. Once your product/subscription is created, let's see how to retrieve the product ID. I'll show you right away how to do it. Click on the product and then look below the black bar at the bottom. Click on the bar or on price_ID, and a panel will open. Don't worry about the codes you see. What matters is right here, and you just need to click to copy it. Now let's paste the price ID into Dojo-On. Another parameter we need is the secret key. Let's go back to Stripe and retrieve the secret key from the same menu. At the top of the menu, you'll find Overview. Click on it and navigate to Secret Key. Copy the secret key and paste it into Dojo-On. Great, now let's configure another key parameter for the setup. Let's go back to Stripe and select Webhook. Let's add a new webhook. Scroll down to the Events section and select only the ones I show you. I'll give you a few minutes to pause the video and copy the same events I have selected. The Customer section. The events to select are these 8. Once done, confirm and continue. In this section, we will enter a parameter that we will retrieve from our Dojo-On area. Copy the URL from Dojo-On and paste it into Stripe. It is necessary to enter the title, while the description is not mandatory. By confirming, we'll see the last key to enter on Dojo-On, which we will copy and paste into the platform. Copy the last key from Stripe and paste it into Dojo-On. Great, we're almost done. All that's left is to enter a description, set the price equal to the one entered in Stripe, and confirm. With the success message shown above, we can be sure that our judo lesson subscription is active. Now I'll show you what the judoka will see in their dashboard. I'm also starting a test payment to show you the rest of the functionality. With the subscription active, the judoka sees a card with all the subscription details and a button to manage cards and renewals. In the Sensei's dashboard, a table appears showing all the judokas who have subscribed to the subscription. Congratulations on completing the configuration by following the video. That's everything about the subscriptions page. We wish you smooth and efficient management of your dojo.